Thank you for choosing the iSpring WSP-ARB and WSP-B Series reusable spin-down sediment water filter. These filters are designed to filter out particulate, sediment, rust, and other water pollutants in order to protect equipment such as downstream pipelines, water heaters, washing machines, and other appliances from possible damage. In this video, we will show you how to clean and replace the filter cartridge. Please shut off the main water line and open the nearest faucet to drain the water from the pipe and release pressure. Step 1. Drain out the water inside the filter by either turning the drain valve switch to the vertical position or starting the automatic draining process by pressing the home button to turn on the screen and then pressing the drain button on the touchscreen. The auto-flushing module is preset to open the valve for 15 seconds and will automatically shut the valve after the 15-second cycle. Step 2. After the water drains completely, close the drain valve. Step 3. Unscrew the drain cover and pull out the circlip to remove the drain valve switch or auto-flushing module. Remove the drain valve cover and the drain line. Unscrew the filter housing counterclockwise using the included housing wrench. Use a bucket to catch any remaining water from the pipe. Step 4. Completely remove the filter assembly from the housing. This includes the filter seal cover, filter mesh, and the scraper. Clean the filter assembly with a brush and/or soak it in vinegar. Step 5. After the filter assembly is cleaned, reinstall the assembly in the filter housing. Be careful to line up the filter housing with the machine head and turn it clockwise to screw on the housing. Tighten it with a housing wrench. Step 6. Install the drain valve cover followed by the drain valve switch or the auto-flushing module. Insert the circlip to lock it in place. Reinstall drain line and drain cover. Step 7. Turn on the main water. Make sure there are no leaks and that the filter is working properly. Congratulations! Your WSP-ARB WSP-B Series reusable spin-down sediment water filter is clean and ready for use. Please adjust the flushing interval according to the quality of your source water. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.